Namaste. I am Dr. Shama Kadri from Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics. And today in this video, we are going to talk about TLSO. So TLSO is the thoracic lumbar sacral orthosis, spinal orthosis. It is a spinal orthosis. As name indicates, it supports the spine, thoracic spine, lumbar spine, and sacral spine, as well as TLSO is typically a two-piece clamshell design. It may also be a single piece with an opening on the front. A TLSO extends from just below and collarbones from to the pelvis. It is used to stabilize the spine after surgery or in the event of spinal fracture to promote healing and decrease pain. Application: apply a snug-fitting cotton t-shirt or body shock. Loose t-shirt may cause wrinkles and skin irritation. While lying down in bed, log roll. So, uh, if we talk about the application, apply a slung-fitting cotton t-shirt to a body shock limitation. Loose t-shirts should be wear may cause wrinkles and skin irritation if don't be. While lying down in bed, leg roll to the side and allow caregiver to assist in putting on the LSO. Caregiver should place the back portion on the patient, matching the groove in waist of the LSO with patient's waist, the soft area between the hips and ribs. Patient should gently roll onto back. Caregiver should confirm that TLSO has not moved and is still in proper position. Adjust accordingly. Place the front portion on patient with the sides overlapping and back portion. Fasten the middle strap first. Pull strap at the same time to ensure even tightening and prevent twisting of the brace. Strap should be shrunk to hold TLSO in place. However, allow normal breathing. Fasten top and bottom strap in same manner. The wearing schedule is always check with the prescribing doctor to precise wearing schedule. Many times the TLSO is worn only when out of bed while sitting or standing. Other times the doctor requires the TLSO to be worn at all times. Cleaning and maintenance. Rubbing alcohol may be used to clean the inside and outside of the TLSO. Spray TLSO with alcohol and wipe gently with a cloth. Be sure that TLSO is completely dry prior to application to ensure no skin issue will occur. Always wear clean, dry, snug fitting shirt under the breast. Tips and problem solving. Avoid soft chair and sit up straight. Leaning back into a chair while cause the breast to migrate upward and may replace pressure underarms. Do not lean forward over a table while eating. Bring the food up to the mouth. This will reduce any person on thigh and chest. If the TLS2 start to migrate upward under throat, armpits, ensure that the straps are snug. Straps that are loose will allow breast to shift. So this was all about thoracolumbosacral orthosis, TLSO. If you have any queries related to this video, ask me in comment section. This video is powered by digital version of 2.0 जयोति विद्यापीठ विमेंस यूनिवर्सिटी। खुश रहिए। नमस्ते।